Did you know that in a non-pandemic year, the city of Las Vegas attracts over 40 million visitors from all corners of the globe? That's more than the entire population of Canada. Now you may ask, what exactly draws these millions of people to this desert metropolis? Well, prepare for a journey as we count down the top 10 most visited attractions in Las Vegas. Number 10, the Neon Museum. A graveyard of sorts for the city's iconic neon signs, this outdoor museum pays homage to the Las Vegas of yore, preserving the glitz and glamour of the city's past in a dazzling display of light and color. At number 9, we have the Mob Museum. This isn't your average museum. It offers an immersive, interactive journey through the history of organized crime in America, with a specific focus on its impact and influence on Las Vegas. Number 8, the Adventure Dome at Circus. 5 acres of indoor amusement park fun. The Adventure Dome boasts roller coasters, carnival games, and other thrilling rides, making it a hit with families and thrill seekers alike. Coming in at number 7 is the High Roller Observation Wheel. The world's tallest observation wheel offers stunning panoramic views of the Las Vegas skyline, a sight to behold, particularly at night when the city is ablaze with lights. Number 6, the Fremont Street Experience. This 5-block entertainment district in downtown Las Vegas is home to the world's largest video screen, which towers overhead, providing a spectacular light and sound show. Halfway through our countdown at number 5 is the Stratosphere Tower. The tallest freestanding observation tower in the USA, it offers breathtaking views of the city and is also home to some of the most adrenaline-pumping rides in the world. Number 4, the Bellagio Fountains. A mesmerizing water show choreographed to music, these famous fountains are a must-see spectacle that encapsulates the magic and allure of Las Vegas. Top 3 now, and at number 3 is the Venetian's Grand Canal Shops. This shopping paradise replicates the city of Venice with indoor canals and gondola rides, offering a slice of Italy in the heart of Las Vegas. Runner-up at number 2 is the Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area. A stark contrast to the city's hustle and bustle, this natural wonder offers beautiful hiking trails and scenic drives, making it a haven for nature lovers. And finally, the most visited attraction in Las Vegas is none other than the Las Vegas Strip. This iconic 4-mile stretch is home to the city's biggest casinos, luxury hotels, and entertainment venues, embodying the spirit of Las Vegas in all its neon-lit glory. From awe-inspiring neon signs to breathtaking natural beauty, Las Vegas offers attractions to suit every taste. Each one of these top 10 attractions holds a unique piece of the city's charm, showcasing the eclectic mix of experiences that Las Vegas has to offer. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a history buff, or just looking to be entertained, Las Vegas has something for you.